As the first quarter of the 21st century draws to a close, we look back on the beasts and giants of the world who made great strides into bringing us into the future. Welcome to Walking with Trains. The Class 50 BR Cocoa Diesel Electric. Construction of the Class 50 locomotive fleet, built by the English Electric Company and originally leased to British Rail, took place at the Vulcan Foundry at Newton-le-Willows between February 1966 and October 1967. They were used by British Rail on the West Coast Main Line to handle trains north from Crewe to Glasgow and Edinburgh, where frequent double-heading made the most of their 100-mile-an-hour capability to improve journey times. Originally known as English Electric Type 4s, the finished locomotives were given running numbers D400 to D449. But during the late 60s, the D prefix was dropped by British Rail following the eradication of steam locomotives. After the completion of electrification in 1972, the locomotives were gradually transferred to the Western region for use on the Paddington, London to Bristol and the southwest routes. After the completion of electrification in 1972, the locomotives were gradually transferred to the Western region for use on the Paddington to Bristol and southwest routes. At about this time, all 50 locomotives were purchased by British Rail. During the mid-1970s, British Rail renumbered the locomotives into the TOPS series, 401 to 449 becoming 50001 to 50049. 400 became 50050. The Western region's policy of naming locomotives after warships resulted in all members of the class taking the name of a Second World War naval vessel. The first to be named was 50035, which became Ark Royal on the 10th of January 1978. After the introduction of high-speed trains onto the main lines from Paddington in 1977, the locomotives were put to work on the southern region's Waterloo to Exeter route, as well as routes taking them to Birmingham from both Paddington and Bristol. A major refurbishment of the class was undertaken in the early 1980s. The rework simplified a lot of the complex electronics and removed many redundant features of the control system. It also resulted in the change of the air intake fan arrangement, which had produced the classic Class 50 sound that had led to the nickname Hoover. After refurbishment, the locomotives returned to the Western region. The first locomotive was withdrawn in February 1987, and the last 50007 and 50050 in March 1994. Since then, several of the class have been preserved.